everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Jump.
Hello, everyone.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah.
We're so happy you're here today.
Whether you're listening while driving, walking, cooking, or just relaxing, thank you for spending your time with us.
Sarah, I have a question for you.
Only one question?
Well, maybe 5.
Okay, go ahead.
What was the first thing you did this morning?
Let me think. I woke up, turned off my alarm, and... Oh, no.
What?
I already know where you're going with this.
Really?
Yes, I picked up my phone.
Exactly.
I didn't even get out of bed.
Neither did I.
Seriously?
Unfortunately, yes. I told myself, I'm just going to check the time.
Let me guess. 5 minutes later, you were watching videos?
5? Try 30.
That's actually one of my worst habits.
Mine too. Sometimes I unlock my phone without even knowing why.
Wait, I thought I was the only person who did that.
No. Sometimes I open my phone, look around, close it, and then, 10 seconds later, I open it again.
Yes. And then you ask yourself, what was I looking for?
Exactly. It's like my brain completely forgets.
That's actually funny, but it's also a little scary.
I agree. Technology is amazing, but sometimes it controls us more than we control it.
That's a powerful sentence.
Thank you.
Can I ask you something?
Always.
Why do you think we check our phones so often?
Honestly, I think we're afraid of missing something.
Missing what?
A message, a notification, some news, a funny video, anything.
That's true. Sometimes nothing important is happening, but we still check.
Exactly. It's become automatic. Do you know something funny?
Tell me.
Last week, I wanted to read a book.
That's a good habit.
It is, but every 5 minutes, I reached for my phone.
Without thinking?
Without thinking. It was like my hand had its own brain.
I think many people listening right now are smiling because they've done exactly the same thing.
Probably. So let's ask everyone a question.
Good idea.
If you're listening right now, be honest. What's the first thing you do after waking up?
Do you drink water?
Do you exercise?
Or do you immediately check your phone?
No judgment.
We're guilty too.
Okay, let's make a challenge.
I like challenges.
Tomorrow morning, don't touch your phone for the first 15 minutes.
Only 15?
Let's start small.
Fair enough.
Instead, open the window, take a deep breath, drink a glass of water, stretch a little.
That already sounds like a much better morning.
Doesn't it?
Definitely.
But I have another bad habit.
Oh, this should be interesting.
I always say, I'll do it later.
The famous words.
Exactly. I'll clean my room later. I'll answer that email later. I'll study later. I'll exercise later.
And then later becomes tomorrow.
Exactly. How did you know?
Because I've done the same thing.
Really?
Of course. Sometimes I even write a to-do list and then I procrastinate reading my own to-do list.
Okay, that might be the funniest thing you've ever said.
It's true.
Why do we do that?
I think because starting is usually the hardest part.
I agree. Once I actually begin, the task isn't that difficult.
Yes, our brain makes it look bigger than it really is.
That's so true. Sometimes a 10-minute task feels like a 2-hour task until you actually start.
Yes, and then you finish it and think, why didn't I do this yesterday?
I ask myself that question almost every week.
Can I share something that helped me?
Please do.
Whenever I don't feel like starting something, I tell myself, just do it for 5 minutes.
Only 5?
Yes, because once I start, I usually keep going.
Wow, I actually like that idea. Maybe I'll try it.
You should. It works surprisingly well.
Okay, tomorrow morning, I'm not checking my phone and I'm using the 5-minute rule.
Oh, now you can't change your mind.
Uh-oh. Now I can't change my mind.
Exactly. Now I have to ask you about another habit.
Uh-oh. This doesn't sound good.
Don't worry. How many cups of coffee do you drink every day?
Do I have to answer honestly?
Always.
Okay. Usually 3 cups.
3?
On a good day.
Wait, on a good day?
Well, sometimes 4.
Alex,
I know. It's a bad habit.
do you actually enjoy the coffee or do you just drink it automatically?
That's a good question. I think sometimes I don't even think about it. I'm working, I finish 1 cup, and suddenly I'm making another one.
I've noticed something similar with snacks.
Really?
Yes. Sometimes I'm not even hungry. I'm just bored.
That's true. Boredom makes us eat.
Exactly. Have you ever opened the refrigerator, looked inside, closed it, walked away, and then came back 2 minutes later?
Yes. And nothing has changed.
Exactly. The food didn't magically become more interesting.
Why are humans like this?
I honestly don't know.
Maybe we're just looking for something exciting.
Maybe. Or maybe we're just avoiding work.
Ouch. That one felt personal.
Can I tell you another habit I'm trying to change?
Of course.
Comparing myself to other people.
Social media?
Exactly. Sometimes I open Instagram and suddenly everyone seems happier, more successful, more productive, and somehow they're all on vacation.
I've noticed that too.
It's strange.
You know what's funny?
What?
When I see someone exercising at 6 in the morning, I think, wow, I should wake up earlier.
And then?
Then I scroll for another 20 minutes.
That's the opposite of motivation.
Exactly.
The problem is, social media usually shows people's best moments.
Not their normal days.
Exactly. Nobody posts, "Today I forgot my keys."
Or, I spent an hour looking for my glasses while they were on my head. Have you actually done that? Maybe.
Alex,
Don't judge me.
I'm trying not to.
But seriously, comparing ourselves is exhausting.
It really is. There's always someone richer, smarter, faster, more successful.
Exactly. So if we keep comparing ourselves, we'll never feel satisfied.
Instead, we should compare ourselves to yesterday.
I like that. Did I learn something today?
Did I become a little healthier?
Did I become a little kinder?
Those are much better questions.
Speaking of kindness, are you kind to yourself?
Honestly, not always.
Me neither.
Sometimes I make one small mistake and I keep thinking about it all day.
Exactly. But if my friend made the same mistake, I'd say, it's okay.
That's interesting. We're often kinder to other people than we are to ourselves.
Why do you think that is?
Maybe because we expect too much from ourselves.
That's true. We want to be perfect.
But perfection doesn't exist.
Exactly. Progress is much more important.
I completely agree.
Can I confess another bad habit?
Go ahead. This is becoming a confession podcast.
Sometimes I stay up much later than I should.
Watching movies?
Sometimes.
Playing games?
Sometimes.
Scrolling on your phone?
Mostly.
I knew it.
I'll look at one video, then another, and suddenly it's 1 o'clock in the morning.
And the worst part is, you tell yourself just one more.
Exactly. But one more becomes 10 more.
Then the next morning, you're tired,
You skip breakfast,
you need more coffee,
you don't feel like exercising.
and suddenly, one bad habit creates 5 more.
Wow, I've never thought about it like that.
Bad habits usually travel together.
That's actually a really powerful sentence.
Thank you.
So maybe instead of trying to change everything, we should change one small habit first.
Exactly. Small changes become big changes over time.
You know, this conversation is making me think.
About what?
Maybe changing our lives isn't about making huge decisions.
Maybe it's about the little things we do every single day.
I think you're right.
Most people wait for a big moment. Next month. Next year. When I have more time. But life doesn't really work like that.
Exactly. Imagine someone wants to become healthier. They don't have to run 10 kilometers tomorrow.
Right. They can simply start by taking a 10-minute walk.
Or drinking 1 extra glass of water every day.
Small habits seem unimportant until you do them every day.
That's the secret, isn't it? Consistency.
Exactly. People usually overestimate what they can do in one day and underestimate what they can do in 1 year.
Wow, that's one of my favorite quotes now.
Mine too. Can I ask you something?
Of course. Have you ever tried to change too many habits at once?
Too many times.
What happened?
One Sunday night, I got really motivated. I wrote a huge list.
Uh-oh.
Wake up at 5 a.m. Exercise every day. Read 50 pages. Drink 2 liters of water. No sugar, no social media. Meditate. Learn a new language. Sleep early.
That sounds impossible.
Exactly. Guess how many days I followed the plan?
3?
1.
Only 1?
Only 1. I tried to change my whole life overnight.
I think we've all done that.
Exactly. Real change is usually much slower.
And that's okay.
Absolutely.
You know, I started doing something recently.
Really?
Every evening, before going to bed, I ask myself one simple question.
What's the question?
Did I become even 1% better today?
I love that.
Sometimes the answer is yes, sometimes it's no, but at least it makes me think.
That's much healthier than asking, was I perfect today?
Exactly, because nobody is perfect.
Not me.
Definitely not me.
Let's do something fun.
I'm listening.
Let's give everyone listening a 7-day challenge.
Oh, I like this idea.
Okay, day 1, don't check your phone for the first 15 minutes after waking up.
Day 2, drink more water than usual.
Day 3, go for a 20-minute walk.
No excuses.
Day 4, read 10 pages of a book instead of scrolling on social media.
Day 5, say one kind thing to yourself.
That's important.
Very important.
Day 6, finish one task you've been postponing.
Even if it only takes 5 minutes.
Exactly.
And finally, day 7, spend 1 hour without your phone.
That might be the hardest challenge,
For some people, it probably is.
including us.
Can I tell you something funny?
Always.
I once downloaded an app to reduce my screen time.
That's a good idea.
Then I spent 20 minutes exploring the app.
So you used your phone to stop using your phone.
Exactly. The irony wasn't lost on me.
That's actually hilarious.
Sometimes we make life more complicated than it needs to be.
True. Sometimes the best solution is also the simplest one.
Go outside.
Talk to a friend.
Read a book.
Take a walk.
Get enough sleep.
Drink water.
And maybe don't drink 4 cups of coffee.
I wonder who you're talking about.
Definitely not me.
Before we finish, I want everyone listening to remember one thing.
Go ahead.
Bad habits don't disappear overnight, and that's completely normal.
What's important is that you don't give up.
If you miss one day, start again tomorrow.
If you fail, learn from it.
If you make progress, celebrate it.
Even small progress matters.
Because small steps, taken every day, can completely change your life.
You don't need a perfect morning, a perfect plan, or a perfect life.
You just need to keep moving forward.
One habit at a time.
One day at a time.
1% better every day.
And remember, you're not competing with anyone else.
The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday.
I couldn't have said it better.
This was such a fun conversation.
It really was. And honestly, I think we both learned something today.
I definitely did. Tomorrow morning, I'm staying away from my phone.
And I'm limiting myself to 3 cups of coffee.
Alex! Okay, 2.
That's a start.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We hope you enjoyed today's conversation and learned some useful English along the way.
If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who's trying to build better habits.
And don't forget, every small step counts.
We'll see you in the next episode of English Podcast Jump.
Bye, everyone!
Take care.